Alright, quick update on ApeCoin. So it looks like we've dropped below the 618 Fibonacci at the 1150, so really not looking too good right now. So if you watched my video yesterday, we were somewhere around this region around here, and I was letting you know that I was taking profits on ApeCoin because in my opinion the market structure had been invalidated. So there's a few reasons why I took profit. Number one, if you watched my first video on ApeCoin, you know that I got in at the Coinbase listing. We were approximately up about, I can't remember where it was from yesterday, maybe it was 68, maybe it was around here at 62. Nonetheless, we were somewhere around this vicinity, and I was pointing out a few red flags that I had noticed. Number one, you can see previously we've got a history of having a low, well here we've got a low, we've got a higher low, we've got a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then this was your first warning signal. We didn't make a higher high, and we came back down and back tested this previous low. And if you watched my video yesterday, if you want to go check it out, basically I highlighted how this hasn't been done before in ApeCoin, and in my opinion the market structure was about to get invalidated to the downside. I said we've never come back down and back tested previous support when we are heading up in this uptrend. Previously we were just stair-stepping to the upside, something like this, and the trend was invalidated. We fell out the side of this ascending channel. We came back down to the previous lows here, which like I said we haven't done before, and I highlighted how we were forming a head and shoulders. So there's a few reasons why I took profit yesterday. Those are just the main reasons why I really took profit, because I thought we were going to start heading down. Now yesterday I said to be honest, the market structure isn't invalidated until we do have a daily close below the 618 Fibonacci at 1150. I said as long as we hold 1150, we will still be in this general uptrend in terms of the Fibonacci, and it looks like we are falling through the 618 Fibonacci like butter right now. So it's probably a good thing that, you know, I spotted this this breakdown coming yesterday and I took profits, because I have saved myself not too much, but well, at least on the daily you can see this is down about 9%. So I saved myself a little bit. I saved my capital, and you know what I'm looking for now is what I said in the last video. I said I think it'd be quite healthy, or not healthy, but it would be nice to play from a position of strength and watch this throw back to the 786 Fibonacci. So like I said, I pulled profit on this because I was between 60 and 70% up. I really can't remember where we were at yesterday. You can go check out my previous video if you want the exact target where I took profits, but you know, it doesn't really matter. It was somewhere around about this region, between 12 and 1150. Actually, we were above 1150, because I was saying as long as we hold 1150 then we should be good, and I think we were up here about 12. So I think I pulled profits around about $12. We've come down, we're now at about 1130, and we've fallen through the 618 pretty harshly. So what I'm looking for now, like I said, I pulled profits on this. I'm up, you know, I was up a decent amount, so I'm now looking for a place where I can re-enter from a much better position and play from a position of strength. So there's not much analysis you can do on this, because you know I'm looking on the 4-hourly and we really don't have too much data on this. Nonetheless though, we do have a major region of support down here at the 786 Fibonacci. This is about 967. I think if we come down to 967 and have a strong pump, that'd be where I'd be that would be where I'd be looking to re-enter my trade at 970. And obviously I could buy my bags back and still have profit. If we do come down, you can see a breakdown of the 618 Fibonacci is a further 16% or so, and you can see we're down about 9% already. So you know, this would be about this would be me buying my bags back and having a 25% profit. So that seems good to me. Nonetheless, this does really depend on if we are able to have a bounce from this, you know, 968 region down here at the 786 Fibonacci. So that's basically all I see for ApeCoin. Not too much going on apart from obviously this pretty nasty breakdown of the head and shoulders, a nasty breakdown of the 618 Fibonacci. And also you can see we're starting to get some momentum coming in with the selling volume. So all in all, I do think it is quite likely that we're going to have a throwback to 969. Nonetheless, if it never happens, I guess I just will be out of ApeCoin. I've already made my profit on this. I am looking at other altcoins. I won't mention them in this video because it's not really relevant, but nonetheless, I'm looking at other altcoins that have much higher risk-adjusted returns. Obviously, ApeCoin has a very large market cap right now, and if I did want to play this again, obviously I do think, I've said this before, I think ApeCoin is going to be a really good long-term hold. I believe in Yuga Labs. I think they're a good project. I like the Bored Ape Yacht Club. I think the Bored Ape Yacht Club is going to continue gaining utility. I think it's going to continue gaining interest, and I think that will correlate to the ApeCoin price. I think ApeCoin will go up hand in hand with all the Yuga Labs projects being Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Yacht Club, etc, etc. But yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at now. If we do close a daily candle below 1150, I would have to assume that we're coming back down for a throwback of the 786 Fibonacci all the way down here at 969 approximately. So that's all I see for ApeCoin. Nasty head and shoulders playing out. We've broken below the neckline. We've invalidated this market structure where we're stair-stepping to the upside. Once again, we highlighted yesterday how we've never had a throwback to previous lows. So this is why I took profit yesterday. Turned out it was a good call. If we do just have a massive reversal tomorrow, so be it. But I am looking to re-enter from a position of strength, hopefully down at the 618 or the 786 rather down here. So that is all I see for ApeCoin. Best of luck if you're in ApeCoin. Best of luck if you're planning on making this as a trade. And yeah, not financial advice. Cowboy out. Peace.